Hey guys, welcome to Tune Up Fridays. My name is Stoyan, and today we're looking at JP Autos, which is based in Leeds. It's an MOT and car service center. They're doing like all kinds of repairs. So we're looking at them today because I've noticed that they're doing lots of right things, but there could be an improvement. And if that improvement is implemented, it might bring them some extra clients, some extra cash. So exploring their websites, you can see that they have lots of services here. They have a gallery. They have free MOT checker, which is something like useful that not every website, not every auto repair garage is providing for their customers. They have reviews shown here. They have a map at the bottom and useful information in the footer. So what will be my suggestions today? So I'm going to make an upgrade of what they already have. So they have the reviews here, but my suggestion is going to be if they pull a widget like that, it could be a smaller one somewhere here in the footer. Because if they have that widget on the footer, then they will be able to add something called schema markup or structured data. And this is additional information that's gonna be crawled by Google, and Google will be able to display stars in the Google search results page. So when someone is looking on Google for MOT or car service in Leeds and their website shows up ideally closer to the top, it will be different than the others because it will have a few stars at the bottom. And it's going to help with more conversions. So people are more likely to convert for someone that has stars in the SERP rather than someone that doesn't. So this is something that this is one thing that I'm going to suggest. A couple of other things is they can link to their Google Business Profile. So they have the address here, but they can put a link that could go to the directions page or simply to the Google Business Profile. And they have a map here, and the map is not something that's embedded from Google Maps. My suggestion is going to be to replace that with Google Maps and to embed it in a way that's gonna show up the profile, the Google Business Profile they have, because it's gonna show some basic details. It's gonna show the reviews, and it's a way to interlink the website with the Google Business Profile. It's going to be like kind of a trust signal to Google, even though Google knows that there is a connection between the business and the Google Business Profile, but it's going to strengthen the connection. And those were a couple of suggestions. For those of you who don't know me, as I mentioned, I'm Stoyan and I'm from marketing, where we do mostly SEO, and we're trying to help our clients get more customers, get more paying customers from their Google Business Profile and from their website by improving their rankings on Google. So anyway, back to the website. Something else that I noticed is that when I switch to mobile, I can scroll back here to the top, exploring the website. They don't have a clickable phone number anywhere here, just one in the footer. And to make it easier for users to get in touch with them, I would suggest a couple of things. They can either have a floating phone icon here on the bottom right corner, or it could be WhatsApp icon, it could be like some form of a chat, depending on what they prefer to on the way they prefer to communicate with people. So my suggestion, generally speaking, is going to be to have the phone number because it's going to be quite straightforward for a user to simply give them a call and make a booking or just ask for a quote. And pretty much that's what I want to suggest here. If you want to see your website featured in one of those series, you can just comment below the video, or you can Google the marketing and just drop us a message there. Cheers for now. Bye.